Welcome to a new video, all of you craft addicts. Today, we will make the Mask of Marshmellow. But we have given it a twist, and we have transformed it into a portable fridge. These are the materials that you're going to need. Glue gun, scissors, pens, spray paint, ruler. Craft knife, compass, screws, silicone sticks. Tape, permanent markers, PVC pipe. Paint pots, trays, instant glue, LED strip with sensor, and this part of the lamp. As always, we have left the templates in the description box. Let's start by cutting off the base of an empty paint pot at 2 centimeters. And also the side, also cut off the base of another pot, but now do it at 4 centimeters. Save the handle for later. Now let's paint the inside with black paint and the outside with white paint. And this is how it should look like. Now make a small cut at 17 centimeters, and also make a few marks at 2 centimeters from that cut. And from those marks, bend them. At the base of the pot, make a few marks inside the circle, which will work as a drain later. Take a bottle and cut off the top where the lid is. Now, on another paint pot, mark the shape of the bottle's lid and cut it out. In this case, the lid is going to work as a plug. Glue the lid on the base of the pot using hot silicone and seal around it with more silicone to avoid feature leaks. Make an 8 centimeter square on an acrylic piece. Join the corners with a black marker and also mark the center. Cut it out and make another one. On a 52mm PVC pipe, make several holes at 1 centimeter from the base of the pipe. And cut out ½ centimeter from the same point and save this ring for later. Now take another PVC pipe of 50mm and cut it out at 17 centimeters. You could use the ring you made earlier as a guidance. Now join both pieces and make the same holes on the second piece. It is time to make the opening and closing system of our Marshmellow fridge. For this, mark a small dot at 1 centimeter from the joint and another 4 centimeters from the previous one, and make a line across to join them. Now make another mark at 19 centimeters and another one at 18 centimeters from the previous one and join them. The thickness of all the lines will be ½ centimeter. Carefully cut out the lines, and this is how it should look like. If you want, add some screws to make it stronger. And paint it black. And this is how it should look like. At the base of the paint pot, make a hole of the same diameter of the PVC ring that you made earlier. Glue the acrylic piece to the base that has the lid on. And onto this base, glue the closing system. Now join both bases and use hot silicone to seal them tight. Also wrap some tape around it to make it tighter and stronger. Use LED lights with sensor to illuminate the inside of the fridge. You can find the link in the description box. Now let's do the fridge insulation. This is a windshield parasol cover that you can find anywhere. Cut out white strips of around 15 or 20 centimeters to cover the bucket. This will help to keep everything cooler inside the fridge. Now on a piece of plastic, draw the template measurements as it is shown on the screen. And if you have doubts, download the templates from the description box. For this part, cut out the 3 pieces and glue them the other way around. Once you have them glued, cut them out again. And now stick on top of them some pieces of wrapping paper or black cardboard. And this is how it should look like. This is creative minds. Let's make another base of 30 centimeters in diameter. And on this one, make a hole where the plug will sit. Glue the side that has the circle onto the bucket. And now stick the piece of plastic with the face on it onto the piece you have just glued. And this is how it should look like. Let's assemble the handle frame. Use the template measurements left in the description box and assemble them exactly as it is shown. We are using acrylic because it holds the weight better. You should have something like this. As you can see, it is tailored to the measurement of the handle. Finally, tighten everything with screws and now paint it. Once again, make another 30 centimeter circle. On this one, mark the shape of the handle with a marker and cut it out. We have also attached a chewing gum pack to make it easier to open. Now take a pen apart because we need to use these pieces. And join them like this with a droplet of silicone. Now cut the pen's barrel to 3.5 centimeters. Then insert the previous piece into this one, cut again another piece of the pen's barrel at 1 centimeter. Seal them off with silicone, and this is the mechanism that will open and close the fridge. Let's cut this 40mm pipe at 40 centimeters, and also make a hole at 3 centimeters from the edge. Put the mechanism inside and seal it with silicone. And with a marker, paint it black. Wrap it up with tape so it fits tightly into the other pipe. To complete this part, attach another piece of 8 centimeters long, which is taken from our 42mm pipe. Now, stick it on the base of the handle over an 8 centimeter plastic piece. While it dries, make another 30 centimeter circle, and from its center, mark the diameter of the 42mm pipe. Let's cut some erasers to 1.5 centimeter and glue it onto the handle. Join the 2 pieces with silicone and also seal the center hole with more silicone. Mark the pieces of 48 centimeters long on a soft plastic piece and cut them. And carefully stick them around the base. And now paint it all white. Now make a big ring by drawing and cutting to circles of 30 and 28 centimeters respectively. And now you can join both parts. It is not necessary, but we have added a few magnets so it would be easier to change the batteries and also to keep the lid closed. And now we have finished the Marshmellow fridge. Please leave in the comment box what type of crafts you would like us to make. We really take into consideration all your comments. Also drop a like and do not forget to subscribe to the channel by pressing the bell, that command house and bell to never miss an upload. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one, my beloved hobbits.
Good.